If you look skinny in a t-shirt, but soft when you take it off, if your chest has no shape, your arms don't fill your sleeves, and your stomach sticks out just enough to annoy you, you're not overweight. You're not underweight. You're stuck in the worst physique category possible. Skinny fat. And the worst part? Most guys stay like this for years. But today I'm going to show you exactly why it's happening and how to fix it at home. The harsh truth. You don't have a fat problem. You have a muscle deficiency. Read that again. Your body doesn't look bad because of too much fat. It looks soft because there's nothing underneath the fat. Muscle gives shape. Without muscle, your body has no structure. That's why dieting hasn't worked. That's why ab workouts haven't worked. That's why running hasn't worked. You're solving the wrong problem. Why this happens to most teens? This happens in 3 stages. Stage 1, no strength training growing up. Stage 2, low protein, high junk food. Stage 3, random workouts with no progression. So what happens? You gain a little fat, but you never build muscle. Now you're in the middle. Too soft to look lean, too small to look strong, and that middle zone destroys confidence. The biggest lie you believe: you think, if I just lose fat, I'll look good. No, if you lose fat without muscle, you just become smaller and still soft. This is why some guys diet hard, lose 4 to 5 kilograms, and still hate how they look. Because muscle is what creates chest definition, shoulder width, arm thickness, back shape. Fat loss only reveals what's underneath. If there's nothing underneath, there's nothing to reveal. The 3 fixes. Fix 1. Train for strength, not sweat. Stop chasing exhaustion. Start chasing progression. Pick 4 to 5 core movements. Push-ups, rows, squats. Lunges overhead. Variation. Track them. Every week, add reps or make them harder. If your push-ups are still 12 reps after 6 months, your body has 0 reason to grow. Growth is forced adaptation. No overload, no growth. Fix 2. Eat like someone. Building muscle. Muscle needs material. Protein target. Body weight times 1.6 to 2 grams. If you're 65 kilograms, you need roughly 100 to 130 grams daily. And no, you won't get bulky. You don't accidentally build muscle. It takes effort. Stop under eating. Stop skipping meals. Stop fearing food. Build first, refine later. Fix 3, give it 6 months. This is where most fail. Here's the timeline nobody tells you. Month 1, you feel stronger. Month 2, you look slightly tighter. Month 3, close friends notice. Month 4 to 5, your shirts fit differently. Month 6, you don't look skinny fat anymore. But most guys quit at week 3. That's why most guys never change. Exact home structure. If I were skinny fat right now, this is what I'd do. Train 4 days per week, upper/lower split. Upper, push-ups, progression. Rows, pike push-ups. Optional, curls with backpack. Lower, squats, Bulgarian split squats. Hip thrusts, calf raises 3 to 4 sets. 6 to 15 reps, 1 to 2 reps before failure. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Hit protein daily. Track strength weekly. Simple. Not easy, but simple. You're not stuck. You're just unstructured. Skinny fat isn't genetics. It's years of no muscle foundation. Fix the foundation, and the physique fixes itself. The real question is, are you going to still look the same 6 months from now, or finally build something? Comment "build" if you're done staying average. And subscribe to this channel to begin your journey from now.